and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. Today's video is my 2020 favorites that will include my makeup, skincare, accessories, footwear, bag and all the things that I have used over and over in 2020. You must have seen some of the products in previous videos, but those are all my favorites. So I'll be sharing all this with you today, and if you guys are excited for the video, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video. I just can't wait to share the video with you all. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing I have here is the Benetint from the Benefit Cosmetics. It's a rose tinted lip and cheek stain. I always use it as a cheek stain. I haven't used much makeup last year, so I just used to apply this one for a nice natural look. It's a beautiful rosy color and a few drops give you a very fresh look. Next is my favorite chapstick from the last year. This is from Boots and it's the original lip balm. It has SPF 15 formula. It's simply the best for using in the sun. I have used it daily. I don't know how many times, but it really hydrates the lips and protects them too. This year I'm going to try other flavors in this one. Another thing which I have used a lot last year is this matte lip liquid from the Body Shop. This is such a beautiful shade, Nairobi. This shade is so good for everyday look, very long lasting. It doesn't make my lips dry, and that's what makes it my favorite lip color of the year. When you apply it, it doesn't feel that you're wearing a lip color. Next is my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is also very popular, Huda Beauty Nude Palette. It's very pigmented and it has 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones. The colors blend so well and provide both a great and fancy look. I love this palette for soft glam looks. They are so buttery and so easy to blend. This palette includes multi-reflective shades, buttery mattes, pressed glitters and also a concealer base. So it has everything in one. For me, it's a must-have for any occasion. Now I'm going to tell you about my favorite concealer. It's the NYX Professional Makeup HD Photogenic Concealer Wand. It has a very rich formula. It effectively covers imperfections, discoloration, and above all for me, it covers under-eye dark circles too. It doesn't look cakey or obvious. The result is beautiful. Also, the texture is very light and creamy. You can easily apply it with the wand. It comes in various shades and this one is CW02, exactly matching with my skin tone. Next favorites are these two nail polishes. I'm simply obsessed with nail colors. I like matching them with my outfit, and you all know that I wear nail polishes in all my videos. So this one is from Flormer Full Color Nail Enamel Collection. The shade is Greige and I'm wearing it currently. It looks so beautiful and it goes with all your outfits. I have used it a lot in the last year and obviously I will continue using it. It doesn't chip in 3 to 4 days and gives a shine to the nails, as you can see. My another favorite nail color is this one from Miniso 22 Nude Beige. It is water based and the best thing about it is that it is peel off. I use it a lot because it saves my time. I easily remove it when I'm in a hurry. The color is so gorgeous, as you can see. I have applied it on my nails here. This one is an everyday shade for me and it's also very reasonable. So these were my two favorite nail polishes. Now I'll show you my favorite beauty blender, which has worked so perfectly for me. I got this one from Shein online. It gives a flawless effect to my skin. It makes me use less foundation and gives more coverage. It has actually very good quality. The best thing is that it has this cute case. I can easily cover it and keep it clean from the environment. Though I wash it regularly, but beauty blenders should always be kept covered. I really loved using this one. Next favorite of 2020 is this lovely headband. It has stripes. I love the pastel colors. I got this from Miniso. They have some really cute stuff. It can be used as a hair accessory, but I use it for holding my hair. I use it when I'm applying makeup or using a face pack. The fitting is just perfect, very comfortable. It is super breathable and absorbent. I just love the bow on top. It makes it look so cute, and besides that, it's very convenient too. Now I'll show you my favorite body mist which I have used in the whole summer season. It is from the Bath & Body Works Pink Cashmere. The fragrance is so soft and refreshing. It doesn't stain my clothes and is very long lasting. This bottle really goes a long way. Splash it on and it goes throughout the day. I'm using many other body mists too from Victoria's Secret and Body Shop, but this one was my favorite from last year. After the body mist, I'll share my favorite perfume. You must have seen it before. It's the Escada Elixir. This perfume makes the personality so attractive. The scent is strong and floral. I have used it too much and I tend to buy it again and again. The bottle is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. The fragrance stays all day, so I have been obsessed with this perfume the whole year. Next is my favorite moisturizer, the Vitamin E Moisture Cream from the Body Shop. You guys must have seen this product several times in my videos. This is not only my favorite for 2020, but I'll be using it every year because my skin just loves this moisturizer. The formula is super hydrating and it keeps my skin moisturized for hours. My face doesn't feel greasy after applying it, and it's very light, makes my skin really smooth. I call it the best one. Next, now let me show you the body lotion that I loved using in 2020. It's the Inecto Coco Flamingo Silky Smooth Body Lotion with Coconut Oil. I love how natural it is as they use 90% natural ingredients. I have sensitive skin and it suits my skin so well, easily absorbed and gives my skin that moisture boost. I got it from Boots. I have used many other scents in Inecto, but it is the best from their range. The texture is not oily and a little goes a long way. Another favorite is this shower gel. It is from Natural Touch and it was the first product that I bought from that store. They have really good quality and affordable products. The scent is Fresh Lily. It smells like perfume after a shower. What I like about it is that it is soap-free. Soap-free shower gels are so good for the skin because they don't have a lot of additives. They cleanse your skin more as compared to the other ones. I just loved it. It makes me feel super fresh, and also I bought many other products later from Natural Touch. Another product which is my favorite from last year is this Pixi Glow Tonic from Pixi Skin Treats. It has been an essential part of my day and night skincare routine. It gently exfoliates my skin and gives it a healthy glow. I use it after cleansing and then I apply a moisturizer. I would say that this toner is amazing because it gives me a more even, brighter and clearer skin. Next is my favorite makeup pouch. I got this from Victoria's Secret, which is pretty much clear from this shiny big logo. Look how gorgeous it is. I love the shimmery hot pink color. I have other makeup pouches too, but I have used this one the most. It holds a lot of makeup stuff inside due to its sturdy base. The style is so cute. It has this rounded shape. What I like the most about it is that it is lightweight and I can comfortably close it even when it is full. It has this beautiful leopard print inside. I keep my makeup pouches very tidy. I don't like the lipstick and powder marks inside, so this one was my favorite. Let me show you my favorite hair accessory. You all know that hairbands are so in trend from the last year. I have used it a lot and it was always on top due to its black color. I bought it from Accessorize. You can see the beautiful studs and pearls on it. Very comfortable to wear. You don't have to worry about the hairstyle when you have this. Just put it on and you are just ready to go anywhere. Then I have my favorite bracelet here. I love wearing jewelry. It adds beauty to your personality. In jewelry, I love bracelets and rings the most. This one looks so pretty and when you wear it, it looks even more prettier. I love how it is studded with pink pastels. I got this one from College Spring and it matches with many of my outfits. Let's come to the rings now. These are pure silver rings. I don't prefer the artificial ones because sometimes they leave green or black marks on my fingers. I bought these two from Findra. I have lots and lots of rings, but I use these two more. They have beautiful stones in them. This one has a very intricate design and the emerald stone makes it look so royal. The other one has a very unique design and I also love wearing this one every day, so these were my favorite rings. Now I'll show you my earrings. These are my most favorite ones. I can easily wear them the whole day because they are so lightweight. They look so elegant with any kind of dress. I got these from Aldo. Their accessories are very gorgeous and they have really good quality stuff. I wore these so much and I think I'll be wearing them this year too. Another thing is the favorite wristwatch of the year. It is from DKNY. You can see the unique grey color dial of the watch. It reflects various shades. I like these multicolored studs on the sides which add beauty to it. The chain strap is very simple, but it has been my everyday watch despite having many others. It's a bit heavy, but I'm comfortable with it, and whenever I wear it, I get so many compliments on it. Next is favorite bag from last year. I couldn't decide between two, so I'll show you both. This one is from Versace. It has this unique design with golden studs. Look how beautiful it is. It has this chain strap and I can adjust the length too. It looks heavy but is not. I used to keep so many things in it. It's not too small. The studs make it look so attractive. And the other bag is a cute Coach bag. It's very compact and lightweight. That's why I like using it. It's really good for keeping the essentials. It has this red strap and the shape is too cute. I prefer bags with long straps as they're easy to carry. Now I'll show you my favorite footwear. These slippers are so comfortable. I used to go for a grocery in these. They are casual and trendy as well. I can walk for hours with them. These are from Aldo. The design is quite simple, but the silver color looks simply beautiful. They still look like new. I keep cleaning this white part. So these were all my favorites for 2020. I feel I have talked so much, but I hope you all enjoyed watching my video and you all have come to know what I loved and used in 2020. Thank you so much and give my video a big like. Also let me know in the comments which of my favorite did you like the most, because I was so excited to share all this with you. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell button. See you all in the next video. Have a great day. Much love and stay blessed.